Okay, so today is wedding day. Back again. I am going to Cedar Creek Winery to be a second shooter for Pixel Productions, and looking forward to it. It's the first time working with him, so this is going to be a good day.
Something. Baby, you ain't seen nothing. This is the start of something new. Leave behind the city lights. We're never stopping, even with nothing in our pockets. Something. Baby, you ain't seen nothing. This is the start of something. You can feel it. Baby, you ain't seen nothing.
Okay, so we just finished up getting ready stuff for the girls and the guys. They're here at the, I think this is the Manteo. I'm not sure, it's on Cook Road. So now we're heading to the venue. I'm gonna drop my car off at Chad's and we're gonna head up together. So that's it for here. We're heading to the venue. Yes, we are. First time shoot with Pixel Productions. Got a beautiful day for it. Thanks for bringing me on for this. I'm really stoked to kind of see your process and just document it for myself for fun, something new to do it up. All right. Got some gelato. I got gelato and coffee back here, doing photos and venue shots just before the reception. So it's a beautiful day. It's really hot, but it is gorgeous. So stoked to be here. Okay, so we got some drone photos done. It looks pretty sweet. I'm excited to see how that's gonna plan in, but we're gonna go do some other photos. So I gotta pack up and switch off from the drone. We might do a fallen car shot, which would be pretty sweet. So here we go. So we've gotten to this park. They're gonna bring the nice beauty classic Porsche over here. Now we're gonna do some other shots. We're gonna attempt to do a drone shot, but I don't know if it's gonna work with this location. So we'll see. High trees, some power lines. Should be fun. I got to do the drone stuff and it looks sick.
So it was awesome.
I'm excited to see how those come together. Are you gonna share any of the footage?
How good's that?
Oh,
They're sharing it very soon.
We're back at the venue, so.
So it was at this part of the wedding, like the weather was changing so much from screaming hot to now we got this thunderstorms blowing in over the hill behind us. And as you can see, the winds picked up, the rains are falling. We're kind of laughing because it's like now it's nice and hot. And as you'll see here, trying to eat in the middle of a rainstorm.
It's refreshing.
So it wasn't too bad. The winds didn't pick up too crazy. Everybody's undercover eating for this period, so it kind of worked out really well. But we did have a bit of issues with the DJ system. Luckily, we managed to get some good weather to head back out and do some more romantic golden hour photos. Of course, after some delicious food, heading back out, refuel to get some more awesome photos. And that's mostly what we do for the wedding stuff. It's a lot of different moments, trying to recreate stuff, get some awesome shots, take advantage of the beautiful light. This venue was incredible for wedding. So this next section is a lot more of the romantic feels.
When you're tired and worn, and you feel like you can't go on, I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other. When you've lost your way, oh, the first time your heart breaks, I'll pick
wedding day again wrapped up. Looking like we're heading back. Just gotta get the keys. They're still partying on, so that'll be a good one. Looking forward to putting this together. And thanks for coming along on this another vlog, wedding fun. And look forward to seeing you in the next one.